I know he's around when the sky and the ground started ringing.